the fact that there was a government order that exempted all pregnant women and disabled individuals from going to work during the pandemic period. There was a gray area of lack of understanding of this notification, and we have been assured by the principal secretary health that a notification will be issued to ensure that the 300 plus, which is a huge number of pregnant health workers, which is inclusive of nurses, inclusive of doctors, they will be no longer sent to work, but they will be given assignments to work from home, where they will assist government in all of their interfacing programs, so that we protect these 300 plus health workers who will become very vulnerable if they go to their workplace in person. We have been given this assurance that this will be quickly implemented in all of the health centers, the CHCs, the PHCs, the hospitals. Now we also appeal to private hospitals to ensure that all pregnant health workers, irrespective of their capacities, they could be lab technicians, they could be nurses, they could be doctors, should be allowed to work from home and given a different kind of a job without denying them their salaries. So with salary protection, this is something that we are appealing to all private institutions to also please protect pregnant women who cannot have the vaccination.